Hey my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I am holding in my hand the household sticker book, and so I'm going to actually be flipping through this sticker book. This is actually an oldie but still a goodie because this sticker book came out in 2019, and I realized as I was organizing my sticker books in my craft area, I realized that I have not shared a flip through of this sticker book with you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. This sticker book comes in 1,372 pieces, and it is a 30-page sticker book. Now, I also want to share with you, and I also would like for you to take a closer look at some of these sticker pages because they have some awesome things that I think we can use in this time of quarantine, okay? So the first page is actually clear stickers, and I think it's the first few pages are going to be clear stickers, and it's basically your household items. And I just love how this sticker book will add so much fun and style to our planners while it's helping us stay organized and plan a happy, cleaning routine and a cleaning schedule. I love all of these little icon stickers. All right, so these next few pages are like to clean and chore little checklists. And so these are going to come in various colors through here, but I like how you get a checklist, a to clean, a morning routine and an afternoon routine, and then some things to do. And then you get those circle icons in here as well. So again, you will get these in the same stickers, but in different colors, which I absolutely love. And you can kind of, rearrange it to make it fit the color scheme that you're going for in your planner spread for the week or for the month. So I'm definitely going to be using these meal plan stickers. These are clear stickers and it has like some silver foil on them. And I'm finding that I'm using this a lot more, or wanting to use this a lot more, because Madison is homeschooled. So I do want to, meal prep their lunch, her dinner and stuff like that. So it kind of be easier for me. Now this page right here, you guys, this is the page that I was telling you to please look at very closely. These are some awesome stickers. I wish they had it in like a black font, but these are in silver foil font, and they are also clear stickers, but these are just household items that you would want to do, like cleaning, sweeping your porch, wipe down cabinets, all of those things. And what's a Tuesday without Taco Tuesday, right? So you got the Taco Tuesday, you got, well, you can do takeout. Right now we could do takeout. So, you have those stickers. And then also just meal prepping. I think this would be awesome for us moms who have kids that are at home and, meal planning. This would be awesome to just use in your planners for the week and just map out all of your week's meals and have it at a glance. And then, you get them in different colors. So why not? Like, it's really cute. Some of them come in this silver foil font, and then you get the white font on some of those stickers as well. And then I like this that says daily chore. Madison still has chores, by the way. So I do like to use those stickers to kind of let her know what chores that she has. And of course, bills are still due. So, you have to have those, and just documenting those as well. And then you get those in 2 different colors, I believe. Yeah. And then this one, I've used this one before. I think this was like in the Mom Life, but this is like a grocery list that you can kind of pop in your Happy your half sheets or whatever. But you can utilize those to have like a running grocery list. And then you get some of these grocery shopping little lists as well. And then you guys, on the back, almost to the end, you get some more of these household items, things that you need to do as far as like spring cleaning, winter cleaning, or just cleaning in general. So I do love and appreciate that. So I am glad that they gave us another sheet. But like I said, I wish this was like in a black font or maybe like in a different color, but not the foil. But I'm going to work with what I have. But I absolutely love just the certain items of cleaning the bathroom, flipping the mattress, that sort of thing. And then the last sheet just has house payment, credit card due, and then it has electricity due. Little stickers there as well. And so, yeah, that was the end of that sticker book of the household sticker book that came out in 2019. Again, I was going through and organizing my sticker book and just ran across this and realized when I looked in my videos that I did not share this with you guys. So I thought this was like a nice little cute gem, treasure gem to share with you because of this quarantine life. We are doing major household projects. And so I thought that this will be something that you guys will want to enjoy, or maybe just remind you of some of the stickers that are in this book. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, don't forget to show this video some love by clicking that thumbs up button. That lets me know that you enjoyed this sticker book flip through. And also, if you're new here to my tea party, please, I hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party and catching more videos like this and some more organization videos in the upcoming videos. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I do upload videos. So again, I hope you enjoyed this household sticker book flip through, and I will see you guys at my next tea party. Bye guys.